Hey guys, I have a package from the cubicle. It should be 3 puzzles. So, I got the yuxin 3x3. I think this is the yeah. This is the bullfight. And then I have the aolong pyramids, and then cubicle gift card and receipt. So I'm gonna go for the pyramids first. There's actually tape on the sides. So it feels slippery. There's definitely lube on there. The aolong logo is right there. So first turns. Wow. It's really good. So yeah, these 2 tips are a little stiff compared to the other 2 tips. This tip is really good actually. It's a different click, but it's really smooth. So I have my Shengshao here, and they're pretty much the same size. Yeah, it's a different type of click. Like, it clicks when it makes a complete turn. The Shengshao also does that, but it's like, it doesn't snap in as much on the aolong. And then the tips, they also just don't snap in as much. So I'm going to set it up and see how I like it compared to my modded Shengshao. So next I'm going to go for the yuxin 3x3. Interesting packaging. Okay. So it comes with a super tiny solution guide. Yeah. Stickers feel weird. So this is the aolong. Yeah, the stickers feel like smooth tiles, but stickers, like smooth matte finish stickers. It's really fast, and out of the box it corner cuts really well. Little lock up there. Yeah, it comes pre-lubed. Yeah, it's smooth and it's really controllable right now. We'll see how it is after tensioning, but yeah, it's the same size, pretty much. And then this cube. Okay, stickerless. Bigger solution guide. Yeah, so the shades are pretty standard, I guess. Okay. That was a lot of. So it's really catchy. Maybe it's just that side. Yeah, it's really smooth and fast. It's actually faster than my aolong. Yeah, it's faster than my aolong right now. Okay, there's something wrong with this side. Yeah, there's something wrong with the red side. I'll figure it out later. And the green side. So maybe... yeah, there's something wrong with it. I'll figure it out. But so far it's really fast. It also comes pre-lubed. Yeah. It's really fast and smooth. And the mechanism for the yuxin is like this. So it fits in like that. It's an interesting mechanism. And the mechanism for this is this. Okay. Thanks for watching.